Welcome to TechLeaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to restart Microsoft Teams. Now, it is very easy, you just have to follow me. If you're inside Microsoft Teams, just close it from here. After that, you'll notice that on the taskbar, it's not here. But if you go to the system tray, which is this icon over here, just click on it, you will still see Microsoft Teams is running in the background. Now to close it, what you have to do is just simply right-click on it and then just click on Quit Teams. And then Microsoft Teams will close down. You can also confirm it. Just go to your taskbar, right-click on it, and open up Task Manager. And you need to make sure you don't see Microsoft Teams over here. If you do, just right-click on it and click on End Task. But we don't see it, so we don't have to do it. Then just close it. Now to restart the Microsoft Teams, what you have to do is just go to search and search for Microsoft Teams again. And from the best matches, just open up Microsoft Teams again. Then just give it some time. It will sign into your account and open Microsoft Teams for you. And basically that is how to restart Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.